If you recall, when did you have those depositions taken? What year?
I don't remember.
Has it been more than a couple years?
Yes.
You may be familiar with what's going to happen with deposition, but because you haven't had a deposition taken for at least a couple of years, I'm just going to run through some of the rules right now so that you understand what's going to happen today. I'm going to ask you a series of questions. I may ask you some questions after I'm finished also. And what we ask that you do is wait till we finish asking our questions before you start responding. Do you understand that?
Yes.
The reason why we ask that, as you probably know from your prior experience, is because the court reporter types down everything that's being said simultaneously. So if two of us are talking at the same time, which I tend to talk over people, I apologize in advance, she can't type it down. And what happens is you have a really choppy transcript at the end of the day. And so when you go to read what you've said today, you'll see my question end before it's supposed to end, and your response start before it's supposed to start. So for that reason, if we can wait for one another, that would be ideal. If it doesn't happen, we'll go back and we'll try to clean it up, but I just wanted to let you know that that's what we need to try to do today. Do you understand that?
Yes.
If at any point today anybody asks you a question that you're not sure about, you're just either confused about what we're asking, you need clarification, just let us know. Otherwise, if you respond to one of our questions, we're going to assume that you understood what we were asking. Do you understand that?
Yes.
At some point, usually maybe a few weeks after the deposition is over, you will receive what's called the transcript, and that is the booklet of the deposition. And the way that it looks, it kind of looks in a way, I would say, maybe like a script. So it has a line, there's a question, you'll see the question typed out, and then there's a line for answer, and what you responded to the question will be typed out. You're going to have the opportunity to read through that. You can also make changes to what you've told us today. What we ask, though, is that today you provide us with your best testimony. This is our best opportunity for us to talk to you, and so what we need you to do is take the time that you need to respond to the questions. If at any point today you realize that you need to clarify something that you said earlier, or you need to modify something, just stop us and let us know, and we'll go back so that you can do that. Otherwise, what will happen is later on you may want to change something, and it may significantly alter what you told us today, and that could affect your credibility later on as a witness. And so we want to make sure today that we get the best testimony you can give us. Do you understand that?
Yes.